today the class is getting a sun, and then they're getting 2 pages that are the Earth, the world, flattened. So they have all the different countries on there. And we're going to be talking about how the Earth moves and what causes day and night.
The Earth.
Yes.
You're the Earth, Caroline.
Discuss this question with your partner.
Okay, you've turned to face the sun. Okay, if the Earth is facing the sun, like you are right now, about what time do you think it is where you live? Ben and Demena, you're facing the sun right now. What time do you think it is? Around noon, morning, daytime,
Yeah.
you would say?
To the left until your back is towards the sun. Because you're pretending to rotate then discuss this question.
All right, about what time do you think it is where you live now? Your back is to the sun. What do you think?
Please spin to show your partner what it would look like for 3 days on Earth to go by.
So you're gonna slowly spin to show your partner what it would be like for 3 days to go by. Go.
This is okay.
One,
One day.
2, 3 days. What did you do to pretend that 3 days went by, Justin?
We spun around 3 times.
Can you show me? 1, 2, 3. Good. How many hours did you just pretend went by? Gia? How many hours are in a day?
24.
Okay, and how many days went by?
3.
Okay. How many hours?
72.
Good.
Model how the Earth spins when the sun rises where you live.
Okay, you're gonna have to be thinking about where does the sun rise and where does the sun set? So Zach is now the sun and Leslie is the world or Earth. And they're gonna demonstrate night and day. So which way does the Earth need to spin to show night and day? So I'll stand on this side by Zach and I'll pretend like I'm the sun. And which way are you gonna spin to show night and day? So that's showing rising in what direction? So when you spin to the right or clockwise, the sun is rising in the west. Is that accurate? Which way do you need to spin? To the left, counterclockwise. There we go, rising in the east.
One spin takes 24 hours. But how fast is that exactly? Like, if we were to put that in miles per hour, the way we measure the speed of a thing like a car, what speed would that be? Well, to do that, we'd have to figure out how many miles the Earth turns per hour. There are 24 hours in a day. But how many miles are there in one spin? Put that question another way. How many miles around is the Earth? The Earth is huge. Measuring it is not easy. But scientists have been able to figure out exactly how large it is. We know that the circumference of the Earth, that's the distance all the way around the equator of the Earth, is about 24,000 miles. So then we can just do some simple 4 hours to do one spin all the way around itself. That's 24,000 miles divided by 24 hours in one spin. If you do the math, that equals 1,000 miles an hour.